I am freaking excited. I have been waiting for this to come for like okay, it's been like only 5 days and it has finally arrived here. Bursting with excitement. I know you guys probably know by the title of this what this is, but like I haven't seen it yet, so like I can't contain it. Okay, I'm gonna take the scissors and unbox this now. You know what? I really should get a proper unboxing knife since I've been buying so many things these days to unbox. Look at this beauty! And it came like wrapped with a couple of things. Oh, okay. Gosh, oh my gosh, the beauty. Okay, so I bought my first camera last year, which is what I'm using now, and my second lens this year. And this is the 16mm F1.4 DCDN Sigma Lens, and I'm super excited to use it. Opening this now. Okay. This is a warranty card. I will probably scan this, and this should be the receipt. Stickers. A manual. I mean, like, guys, whoever reads manual again? Wow, it's like wrapped so nicely. It's like wrapped in like an egg carton. Okay, careful now, careful now. Okay. It's wrapped so nicely. It feels prestigious, guys. It's like, wow, it's like, ooh. Wow. Okay, so a quick summary of this lens, why I'm so excited about it is the lightest lens I've ever owned. It works super well in low light and it will produce sharper image and there'll be more bokeh effect, which also means that the background blur thing would be really nice. I'm so excited to test this out and excited to use it, and I'm gonna show you guys some pictures. And for those who are not photography camera enthusiasts, this is a little easy, simple crash course for you. I just started using a proper camera last year, so forgive me if I don't explain it well, but yeah. So this is actually called a prime lens. A prime lens means that it has a fixed focal length. This is 16mm. It cannot zoom. You can't really zoom it. I see it trailing all too fast, but I'm not leaving. This is actually just a manual focus ring and you can't really zoom in further. Unlike the zoom lens I have, I can zoom from 18mm to really close 135mm. This lens also has a really large aperture of f1.4. A larger aperture means that it works really well in low light. It lets more light in, larger depth of field, so it is more sharp. This is also a 16mm lens, but to translate in layperson terms, this means that this is one of the widest lens I've ever owned, so when I'm filming myself like that, I can see more of my face. So this lens also features really quiet, fast autofocus, and that means that during videos, when you're shooting a video and when it autofocuses, the mic wouldn't pick up unnecessary sounds. So that's good. Other amazing features about this lens is that it's designed to minimize flaring and ghosting. As you can see here, this is also dust and splash proof. So if I accidentally spill some water on it, I wouldn't be too worried. But of course, don't ever risk this expensive purchase in the rain. And this also has a lower minimum focusing distance, 25 cm, and this is lower than what I currently have on my 18mm to 135. I can take more close-up shots, I can move closer to the subject that I'm taking a picture of and take a really nice photo. But one thing that I'm worried about for this lens is that there is no optical image stabilization, and this means that if I go out and vlog, this would be super shaky, especially coming from a A6400 Sony camera, which doesn't have in-body stabilization. With this lens, it may not look that pretty. So, yep, a gimbal next maybe. This is one of the most affordable, talked about lens in the photography world. Many YouTubers feature this on their channel and they say that this is one of the best lens for the Sony cameras, and that is why I am super excited to test it out and to see what's so good about this lens. If you guys like notice any quality difference in my future videos, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this little unboxing excited you as well, because I'm so happy to share this beauty with you guys. But yeah, stay minty and cheery, have a good day, stay safe, stay home, goodbye. Okay.